Hi, this is Jiaru. Now I'm going to do the fifth question of my homework 1. Here we go. Okay, now let's look at the fifth question. So for every person, the test result is the probability of test result is the probability of test result is positive equals to 0.1. And now we need to divide this 100 people into 10 groups. And if the 10 people and if the mix of the 10 people's blood is negative, then we can know that all of them are negative. If the mix is positive, we need to test the 10 people one by one. So which means we need to test 11 times if there is one or more people of the 10 people is positive. Okay, so now the question is that we need to find out the number of tests we need to do by the second method on the average. So it's pretty like to calculate the expectation. So so we can know that the final result is the final result has two parts. The first part is that the probability of negative and times 1, because if the 10 people is negative, we only need to test it once, and if it's positive, we need to test 11 times. Okay, so there's two parts, and because we have 10 groups, so just simply times it by 10. Okay, so now we need to calculate it. Let me see, 10 times so the probability of negative equals to, if it's negative, which means all of the 10 people is negative, and because the probability of positive equals to 0.1, so we want all of them to be negative. It's the tens okay, and I used my computer to get the final answer, that is 7.513. Okay, so the average number of tests equals to 75.